Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L3250 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Epson L3250 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. Here we find epson.co.in or the .com depending on your country. Open the first link. Whatever first link is, open the first link. An official website is open. Here we find Epson L3250, our printer name and official site. Scroll down. Here we find operating system. If your operating system is right or bit is not right, then click at here. And if Windows 10 is 32-bit, then click on Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then click on the Windows 10 64-bit. After that, here we find one button, go button, click on that. It's refresh your page, and after that, scroll down once again and click on these drivers. Click on this plus button, expand drivers, click on plus button. Here we find two drivers. First is the scanner driver, second is the printer driver. First, I download the scanner part. Here we find the scanner driver, click on the download. And it started download on our top. Here we find download is started. Wait for a few seconds to complete download. Okay, it's downloaded. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Next step is go to the web browser once again. This time go to the drivers once again, and this time go to our printer driver and click on the download. It's redirect you to the another website or another page, and click on I agree and click on the download. Our download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to complete download on our PC or laptop. Download is completed in few seconds. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Here we find two files, scanner driver file and printer driver file. Actually, these setup files are actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. First of all, I go to the printer driver, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it's unzip file on our desktop. Double click on it, double click on it, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is download this driver. That is very easy. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options or new option is pop up. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and go to any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Have a disk. Click on have a disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Go to our folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any files. All files contain same driver. Select any file. Click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find Epson L3250 series printer. It is a series printer. Click on next. Give any name that you like. I give Epson L3250. Okay, give any name and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. It's take few seconds to completely and properly install your printer on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Don't do anything. Wait for a few seconds to completely install this printer on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is install scanner driver. That is also easy. Go to our scanner part, right click on the scanner driver, click on run as administrator, wait for a few seconds, click on yes. It's unzipping our software and installation is started. Click on the next, accept the terms and condition, click on the next, wait for a few seconds. That's all. Scanner is also installed. Click on the finish. Next step is check our printer and scanner is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson L3250, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.